Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to read a story for you. But before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Rowing Boats, series created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brichtha. Wilf, Chip, and Craig were going out on the river. Fluffy went too. "We will take those rowing boats," said Dad. "Good choice," said Joy. They put the picnic things into the boats and got in. "Don't forget the coats," said Wilf. "Can I row?" asked Chip. "Yes, I'll show you," said Dad. "You have a go, Craig," said Dad, with both hands. "Let's stop here for the picnic," called Chip. "But not by those stones," said Dad. "We can unload the boats," said Chip. "Hand me the coats," said Craig. "This plum tastes very good," said Craig. Homegrown," said Dad. "Don't be so annoying, Fluffy," said Wilf. "He wants his bone," said Chip. Suddenly, there was a loud voice. "What's that?" asked Wilf. "I can hear voices," said Chip. The boys were trying to throw a rope over a big stone. Just then, Joe fell into the river, and the rope fell in too. "Oh no! Get hold of the rope!" "Too late," said Joe. The boat was floating away. Roy tried to catch the boat, but he fell in too. Suddenly, Fluffy jumped into the river. "He wants to join in and help," said Chip. "Look," said Craig. "Fluffy is going for the rope." Fluffy got the rope in his teeth. "Goodbye, Fluffy," called Chip. The dads made the boat safe. Fluffy had got a good soaking. He shook himself all over the boys. Joe and Roy swam back to their boat. Can you give us a tow?" asked Roy. "We can't row back." "Did you enjoy the trip?" asked Joy. "Yes, very much," said Wilf. The